B-Roll Smackdown for September is here. It's gonna be awesome. Roll them bumps, Piney. So what is B-roll? B-roll are the context clips that happen in between all the parts where someone's talking. They let you know what might be happening or where the characters are going in the scene. They're gonna look something like this. So as you might tell from the clips I just showed, you might think I'm at the fair and possibly eating. And if you got that impression, then this B-roll is pretty effective, and that's all you need to do for your B-roll. You can be as creative as you want to be. This month's category is on the trail, so be creative, have fun, and anything that you would see while you were on the trail is perfectly fine. And hey, if you don't live near a trail, take footage of something that's local to you that looks like you're on the trail. We'll never know as long as it's well filmed. So we have some amazing prizes for this month's B-Roll Smackdown, and not just for the winners this time around, which is pretty epic. Pauline Newman has offered up an amazing Dooney and Bourke drop kit in Pebble. The picture's gonna be right here. You guys should definitely check it out. There's also gonna be a link in the description so you can go check it out on Dooney and Bourke's website. It's an amazing contribution and an awesome prize for the winner of the B-Roll Smackdown. Pusa Studios has also offered up a couple of prizes. Each of the semi-finalist winners will get a channel review on Pusa Studios. Now this is a lot of exposure, guys. Pusa Studios talks to a lot of people when they do these channel reviews, and so you will be getting a heck of a nice subscriber bump just by getting your channel reviewed. And for the ultimate winner, Pusa Studios is going to do a full interview with the winner. This is an amazing amount of exposure for your channel, and it's a really amazing prize. Thank you so much to Pusa Studios and Pauline Newman for the amazing donations. There will be a link to each of their channels at the end of this video so you can go and check out their channels. They do amazing content, guys, and these donations are way above and beyond for the winners of the B-Roll Smackdown, so I really encourage you to go check out their content. You won't be disappointed. It's really good stuff. So here are the rules, and here's how you enter. On the trail is the theme, so you want to submit 30 seconds of B-roll that would happen on the trail, or at least as much as you can make it look like a trail if you're not going to be hiking. Your submission can have music in it, but your music must either be from Epidemic Sounds or free-to-use music you can find on the internet or through YouTube. If your music needs to have attribution, you must include that in the email on your entry. Here's what you do. You edit up your 30-second B-roll clip, you put your music in it, you upload that file to Google Drive. Then you take the link out of Google Drive, put it in an email, along with anything that needs to be included, like the attribution for your audio, or let me know you got the file from Epidemic Sounds. Either way, and also make sure that in that email is the name of your channel. Not everyone's email includes the name of their channel. It's always nice to know who's submitting an entry. That's all you have to do. It is that simple. The deadline for your submission is September 9th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I will go live at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to tell you what the brackets are and who will be competing. I'm really excited about this month. It's going to be amazing. We have awesome prizes. Please do me a favor, check those links for Pusa Studios and Pauline Newman at the end of the video. I would really love it if you would go out there, find your adventure. Have a great day, and I will see you soon.